Hi everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a cute alien themed cat in a UFO using polymer clay. So let's get started. To begin, you want to take the colour that you want your UFO to be, and for this one I'm using a pastel blue colour. Start off by rolling the clay into a ball, and then you want to flatten it down slightly on your work surface. Once you've done that, you can then begin pinching the sides of the clay to start forming the shape of the UFO, which is very similar to a spinning top kind of shape. Next, you can take a large ball tool or a similar tool and press an indent into the top of the UFO, and this is where our cat will be sitting. Moving on to the cat, I'm going to be using this colour of clay called Fimo by Premo, and I rolled a ball for the head. Then I moved on to creating the cat's ears, so I took a small piece of Fimo coloured clay again, and here I'm pinching both ends to create a diamond. Once you have a diamond shape, you then also want to make a smaller pink diamond and place it on top, and then when you cut this shape in half, you should end up with two even-sized triangles for the ears, which you can then go ahead and position onto the cat's head. To make sure that they're nice and secure, you can then also blend down the edges of the clay using one of your tools. Moving on to the face, I'm firstly creating two indents where I want the eyes to go, and then I'm adding in two balls of a dark brown clay, but you can choose whatever colour you would like. To create the mouth, I made two small U shapes of clay, and then I placed these in the centre of the face, and then I also added a small piece of dark brown clay for the nose. And then on either side of the face, I added two small pieces of brown clay for the whiskers. We then also want to make our cat's paws, which will be hanging over the edge of the UFO, so begin with two balls of clay and roll these into little teardrops just on your work surface. I then cut off the pointed end on an angle, and then I'm positioning these onto my UFO so that they're hanging out the front. You can then take your large ball tool again and then just press it into the clay so that the paws are also the right size. And then you can go ahead and add your cat's head into the UFO and position it how you would like. I also rolled a longer teardrop shape for the tail, and you can see that I'm attaching that onto the back of the charm. For an extra little design just to make the UFO look a little bit more cute and add some detail, I'm going to be adding some hearts. So I took this glittery purple clay and I'm just creating 5 even-sized sections. To make the shape of a heart, you want to take a ball of clay and pinch one end, and then you can use a needle tool or something similar to create an indent at the top, and that's how you get the love heart shape. Once you've done that, it's then time to begin positioning these onto the UFO. Then finally, we're going to be creating the little alien antennae to make it look like our cat is an alien, or maybe it's being an imposter alien that went out to space. I really don't know. So I took a bright green clay and I'm just attaching 2 coils just beside each of the ears. And then to finish off the antennae, I'm adding a small little disc of clay to the top of each one. If you are planning on using this charm for practical uses, you may also want to apply some wire in the center of this part of the charm to prevent the antennae from breaking off. Finally, add an eye pin, and then it's time to bake it in the oven according to your package's instructions. After baking, I also applied some UV resin as my glaze, but I somehow lost the footage of that part. So here's what my finished charms look like, and you can see that I made the one in this tutorial, and then I've also got another one with a white cat as well. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel for lots more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!